Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. I hope you all are well guys. Welcome back to my new video. Today we will start the discussion on the next set of the questionnaires guys. Let's start the discussion. First question for this set is, select the available T code in S4 HANA. Remember, we are not having the VD01, FT01 or XK01 now. Business partner, of course, this is a newly introduced transaction code, but FT32 has been obsoleted. We used we usually use this T code in SAP ECC for maintaining and updating the credit limit of the customer master with respect to the credit control area and other details. FT32 still it is available in SAP ECC to maintain the credit limit and to check the other details, but in S4 HANA FT32 transaction code has obsoleted and we are having or we can update the transaction, the credit limit in business partner. The business partner role is UKM 000, that is called SAP Credit Management. In that, against the credit segment, we can update the credit limit, guys. FT32 is no more available in SAP S4HANA. Here, out of these, this is a similar question, number 32 and 133, 132 and 131. It's the same. If there are various options are available, don't get confused, guys. All this transaction code has been obsoleted, including FT32. We are having only the transaction code BP available in SAP S4HANA. Next is select the element which are used for the picking location determination. So in the picking location and storage location both are one and the same term. It's interchangeable. Okay. And if we are saying that picking location determination based on the Mala rule, remember we are having the three components, those start shipping point plus plant plus storage condition. So these are the three components for the Mala rule. Okay, we are having the Mala rule and Rita rule both in storage location determination. So in case of the Mala rule, we are having the storage location, shipping point and plant. In case of the Rita rule, let us go to the here. This is the Rita rule, not Mala rule. Okay, Rita rule, RETA, Rita rule. So in case of the Rita rule, we are in place of the storage condition. We are having here the situation. Remaining two components will remain same. Situation will replace the storage condition in case of the Rita rule. So we are having the Mala rule and Rita rule. Both are used for the storage location determination. Okay. So remember the components, guys. Storage condition, shipping point and plant. Next is select the source shipping condition in a sales order. Select the source for the shipping condition in a sales order. So remember, in case of the sales order, source will remain to the ship to party. Shipping condition data will flow from the ship to party, remember. In case we are having the sales document, then we will be selecting the source as a sales document. Now, if you see the question number 135 and 36, question is same, guys. Okay, question is same. In both the questions, examiner is asking select the source for the shipping condition in the sales order. In a sales order, but options are different. Here we are having the sold to party. We are not having here the here we are having the ship to party. We are not having ship to party here in the question number 36. In the question number 35, we are not having the sales document type, but it is there in the next question. Remember, Ship to party and sales document type. These two are the data source. They called the data source, guys. Okay, they called the data source. They are the data source for the shipping condition. In case consultant or user missed the shipping condition updation at the master data level and it is updated at the sales document type level, guys, then data will flow from the sales document type. Okay, which transaction code you will extend, you will use to extend the material master record to another sales organization and distribution channel. Okay, to another sales organization and distribution channel, or we can write here sales organization or sales area. Or remember, we can extend the material through the transaction code MM01. In the transaction, once you will execute the transaction MM01, you can copy from a reference material or you can use the same material as a reference material. From this material to the same material, you can give the existing data, for example, plant, sales area, and in which target sales area you want to extend, you can give that detail in the target too. Okay, this is how you can extend the material master data through the transaction code MM01. So correct answer is MM01. From where we can control the billing relevance. Remember guys, billing relevance we are having at the item category level. Sales document item category or item category both are one and the same term. It is interchangeable. Sometimes we are using the term as a item category. Sometimes we use the term as a sales document item category. Another important point to remember here is all the item related controls will be controlled by the item category. Remember guys, okay? Next question. What kind of billing plan is used to set up the down payment for a sales process? Guys, remember, whenever the question is related with the billing plan or down payment, we'll be having two different kind of billing plan. One is the milestone billing plan, another is the periodic billing plan. Periodic billing plan works based on the subscription. For example, you have taken the subscription of the Netflix or Amazon Prime. So in case of the Netflix, your subscription is monthly basis based on per month. In case of the Amazon Prime, it is yearly annual subscription. So every year they will be charging the subscription charges, guys. Remember, okay? So that is a periodic billing because it's a fixed period, either monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or yearly. But in case of the milestone, we are doing or raising the invoice after reaching a particular milestone, guys. That is the significance of the milestone billing and periodic billing. Okay, so here we will select the correct option as a milestone billing. Last question for today is select the correct options. What does billing type controls? Internal number range, billing relevance, billing date determination, account determination, internal number range, and external number range. Guys, many times interviewer asks, this is a certification question as well as an interview question. Interviewer will ask you at the billing level, you have the internal number range and external number range both, or you are having only internal number range. Remember, once you go to the detailed view of the billing type through the transaction code VOFA, you will identify that you are having only internal number range. Reason is because of the audit purpose, Billing should be created automatically through the internal number range. Users should not or users are not allowed to do the intervention in the billing numbers. Billing number should be in sequence and should not be having any ad hoc number. Okay, so that is why at the sales document type level, if you will go guys, you will find that you are having two different number ranges. One is the internal number range, another is the external number range. But at the billing level guys, you are having only internal number range. So external number range is ruled out in case of the billing document. And account determination. So billing type helps to do the account determination wise. This control lies at the billing type level. Okay, because we assign the account revenue account determination procedure in the billing type. Once you go to the detailed view of the billing type, you will see that you can assign the revenue account determination at the billing type level. That's it for this set guys. I will bring I'll come up with new set of the questionnaires in my next video. Till that time, thank you and happy learning, guys. If you have liked this video and it is useful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe my channel to get the notification of the new videos. Happy learning. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.